I found this new viral niche for faceless YouTube shorts that's taking over the internet like wildfire. As you can see, this channel, Paw Print Productions, was just launched in August 2024 and are raking in millions of views on their shorts, where they show different elements like candy, space dust, liquid fire, and glowing gems merge with animals to become mind-blowing creatures. Now you might be wondering if this niche is monetizable. Well, the answer is absolutely yes. In fact, this very channel has made over $500,000 in just the last few months with videos like these. So I started doing some research and decoded the exact process to create similar types of content. And in this very video, I will walk you through the same exact step-by-step process and also a secret trick in the end through which you will not only be able to create shorts like these, but also monetize your channel easily. So stick till the end and let's get started. Step 1. Crafting the perfect AI prompts. To make jaw-dropping visuals, you need the right AI prompts. We don't know the exact prompt that the original user used, but don't worry. ChatGPT got us covered. Go to the channel dashboard, click on Shorts, and then click on Popular. Play the most viral shorts and take screenshots of the images that you love. Once you have done that, come to ChatGPT, paste each screenshot one by one, and give the following prompt. Create a highly accurate and detailed prompt for this image. Make sure to include specific details like colors, textures, mood, lighting, any objects or people present, the setting, and also the atmosphere. ChatGPT will generate a precise description, which we'll use to recreate the images with AI, which takes us to the next step. Step 2. Generating stunning AI images. For the best results, I use Leonardo AI, which is hands down the most powerful text-to-image tool right now. Open Leonardo AI and first click on Image Creation. Here, paste the prompt we got from ChatGPT. Set the resolution to 9:16, perfect for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and TikTok. Select Phoenix 1.0 as your model. This gives the most realistic results. Click Generate, and boom! You now have high-quality AI-generated images to choose from for your short. See how beautiful they look. Repeat the same process for all the other required images. If you see that the results are not getting generated as per your expectations, then do this. Click Image to Image in Leonardo AI. Upload your reference image, which you took a screenshot of earlier, and set strength to 0.6. This makes sure that the output is much closer to the reference image. Click on Generate again. See, now we have a much more accurate version closer to our reference. Once you have all the images ready, it's time to bring them to life, which takes us to the next step. Step 3. Animating your images into video. For this, I use Kling AI, one of the most advanced AI video generation tools available. Open Kling AI and select AI videos. Click on Image to Video and then click on Frames. Choose Kling AI version 1.6, as this will give you the best outputs. Upload your AI image and leave the prompt box blank for more creativity. Set professional mode and adjust duration to 5 seconds. Click Generate and watch your static image transform into a stunning animated clip. See how beautiful it looks? If you are not happy with the outcome, you can give specific directions in the prompt. Like for our next generation, we will upload the image from Leonardo AI and use the following prompt. The leopard is slowly shaking its head as drops of water sprinkle out from its crystalline body. The lens pans around to capture a dynamic angle and regenerate the output. See how much better this looks? Once you are happy with the final results, download it into your local drive to use it in the next step, which brings us to Step 4. Editing your final video. In this step, we will compile all our generations and convert it into a high virality video. I will also reveal a secret monetization hack after this to ensure that your videos get 100% monetized. But first, let's edit the videos. I use CapCut for quick and easy edits. First, import all the clips in CapCut and arrange the clips as per the right sequence. Then trim off the excess parts to have all the clips of equal length. Adjust the clips into frames in the way that you want by resizing them and cropping them. Once the clips are all aligned, now add transitions to make it look smooth and highly engaging. Add a background score that fits the mood. Add any other effects that you feel like to make the video lucrative. Once you are happy with the editing process, now export the clip in high definition. See how amazing it looks? Secret monetization hack. If you just add the images and music, there's a high chances of your channel not being eligible for monetization. In order to avoid that, add a voiceover in the background. You can add narrations like, "Ever wondered how fusions of wild cats and different natural elements would look like? Let's check it out." You can either use your own voice or AI-generated voices from softwares like 11 Labs. This will make your content original, and you will easily be able to monetize your channel with these types of content. Now let me tell you a secret hack to go viral from day one. You will not get these from any other channel. So make sure to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any such videos. Now for the hack. Whenever you create your YouTube channel, even before you upload any video, go to successful channels which you would like to model. Like in this case, we will head over to Paw Print Productions. Once you visit their page, copy the tags that this channel uses for themselves to go viral. You can use extensions like TubeBuddy or vidIQ to copy the tags. Once you have copied the keywords, come to your channel settings and paste the tags in the keyword section. You can also add channel name tags of your competitors in this section to increase your chances of virality. This will help YouTube to understand whom to show your videos from day one. It will also make YouTube recommend your videos alongside the videos of your competitors, which will increase your chances of virality. So there you have it. The exact step-by-step process to create viral monetizable animal fusion shorts using AI. Now, if you have been wondering how to create highly engaging talking avatars like mine or AI Guy, you can check this video out.